Alright, these are lots of central air conditioners at a apartment complex. Here's a Goodman, here's a York, right here. It's a 2017 NuTone. And this side right here, there's a Rheem and a refrigeration component. That up there is a Philco. I don't know what that one is. There's a Rheem water heater, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's a water heater. That's a Rheem right there. There's the co-compressor from the refrigerating component. I really want to make this quick because probably my mom's going to be waiting for me. There's another York. This is a Rude Achiever. There's a Goodman package unit running. And there are some units way up there. That's a Goodman, that's a nordyne from Philco. There's a Rheem. Ah, it's zoomed in the camera. Here's a nordyne, which is a NuTone unit. It's around 2009, 210.